Shikha.
I'm Sakshi.
I'm Shalini. We are third year students of Instrumentation and Control Engineering at Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, New Delhi. This video is the final representation of our project Health Walker, a 6-minute walk testing unit submitted by us at TI Educators Conference 2014 under mentorship of Professor Dhananjay V. Gatre.
The ability to walk is a quick measure of aerobic capacity. It checks the severity of COPD and presence of cardiovascular diseases. Several tests like treadmill test, hardware step test, cardiac stress test are available in market to check the health status of a person. But we particularly chose 6-minute walk test, it being popular, inexpensive, reliable and having no age limitation. Conventional method of carrying out the test uses a measuring tape, alarm clock, pulse oximeter and a thermometer, making it a hectic procedure. Also, walking to and fro on a fixed path reduces the maximum walking efficiency of a person. It also requires persistent presence of doctor throughout the test. As per our knowledge, there is no existing project that conducts 6-minute walk test in a single test, although costly pulse oximeters and accelerometers have been implemented separately. Our solution, Health Walker. It is a full-fledged device that conducts 6-minute walk test in a single go. It automatically calculates distance walked, ambient temperature, heart rate, SpO2 and heart rate recovery in an algorithmic manner. It uses simple, efficient and reliable self-designed sensors. By the term algorithmic, we mean that Health Walker is based upon the standards laid by American Thoracic Society. Also, the innovative method for calculating distance eliminates the use of costly accelerometers. Python-based GUI has also been made by us, which automatically infers the results and creates a health sheet of the patient for further analysis by doctor. Our device is inexpensive and rechargeable. It also allows a patient to take the test independently without presence of doctor. Now comes the question, who will be benefited from our device? It is the cardiologist, heart and COPD patient and the researchers of 6MWT. With the help of Health Walker, it becomes very easy for the cardiologist to evaluate patients with chronic respiratory diseases. Heart and COPD patients are also benefited as they can now independently carry out the test at their home without the help of doctor. Over and above, researchers can now research more efficiently, quickly and easily on 6-minute walk test. The slide shows the complete block diagram of Health Walker. First, the ambient temperature and the distance measured is directly sent to the microcontroller. The cardiac synchronous waveform of a person, after being conditioned through the analog circuitry, is sent to the microcontroller. The microcontroller analyzes these three signals and gives the output of heart rate, saturated oxygen in blood and the distance traveled. These three parameters are then sent to the computer using serial port communication. Health Walker basically consists of three major segments, namely pulse oximeter, pedometer and the graphical user interface. Since the test requires measurement of 6 minutes, we have used time measurement using software implementation. Health Walker also ensures comfortable temperature for conducting out the test. We have used internal temperature sensor of MSP430 for the purpose. Moving on to the segments of Health Walker. The first segment, pulse oximeter. It majorly consists of two parts, finger probe and signal conditioning unit. Finger probe carries red LED, IR LED and an OPT101. The output signal of OPT101 is then fed to two sample and hold ICs for red and IR signal respectively. These output are then fed to 4th order bandpass filter. We have added passive low pass filter with a cutoff of 3 Hz for further conditioning of signal. The output of low pass filter is then fed to ADC pin of the microcontroller MSP430. The second segment of Health Walker, graphical user interface. We have designed this user interface using Python. The user has to input his name, age, gender, weight, height, problems faced during test and any past disease. The GUI automatically extracts the parameters like distance walked, SpO2 level, heart rate and atmospheric temperature from the microcontroller. Once clicked upon the Calculate My Result button, the GUI gives result based on various medical research papers. We have also provided an option to save the document for further analysis. The third segment of Health Walker, pedometer. Pedometer is implemented using a simple membrane switch and a pull-up resistance. Whenever a step is taken, the membrane switch gets pressed and a signal is sent to the microcontroller. Since the stride length of each individual is different, the device gives us an advantage of calibrating it by walking 10 meters. And finally, using simple mathematics, microcontroller is able to calculate the distance walked by an individual in 6 minutes.
Complete setup of Health Walker is shown here.
This is a finger probe. The portable battery bank is used to supply 5 volt to a circuit. This is a shoe sole. FTDI chip, which is a USB UART interfacing device, is used for serial communication between hardware and PC. Now the implementation of the pulse oximeter. Pulse oximeter has two parts, finger probe and signal conditioning circuit. Finger probe. It has two LEDs, red LED and infrared LED. And on the other side of the finger, we have OPD101, which is a combination of transimpedance amplifier and photodiode. This OPD101 is used to eliminate leakage current error, noise pickups, gain peaking due to stray capacitances. The light from these two LEDs are absorbed by the finger. Then the transmitted light falls on OPD101, which gives the corresponding output voltage. We have used the LED driving signal from MSP430 to drive these LEDs. Now comes the signal conditioning part. The signal from the finger probe goes to LF398 IC, which is sample and hold IC. The signal further goes to bandpass filter of fourth order, which is made by using LM358 op-amp. The process signal further goes to low pass filter. We have used sample and hold IC, that is LF398, to separate the output of OPD101 into two signals. Even we tested this sample and hold IC on oscilloscope. The fourth order bandpass filter is made by cascading the passive high pass filter and active low pass filter. With a frequency range of 0.6 to 4 Hz, we have used LM358 op-amp, which is a and single supply op-amp. We again tested this bandpass filter on oscilloscope. The external passive low pass filter is used to improve the quality of signal. During the making of HealthWalker, we faced a few roadblocks. First, the iron LED with a wavelength of 880 nm is easily available in the market, but it is completely justified from these two graphs that we required the wavelength of 940 nm. Now the problem was finding the required LED. So we calculated the voltage drop for various LEDs and compared them with the required theoretical value. We even tested the color of the iron light by viewing them in camera. Second roadblock was OPD was getting damaged many a times. We were using the finger probe without packaging. So a proper insulated packaging was provided for ambient light cancellation. To test OPD101, we used red light instead of white light. Here are the results of HealthWalker. The oscilloscope screenshot shows the cardiac synchronous signal obtained after signal conditioning. This signal is further sent to ADC pin of microcontroller. We verified the heart rate results of HealthWalker with that of the ready-made pulse oximeter. This bar graph shows the heart rate of different people from different age groups. The graph shows the differences are within the limit of experimental error. Similar results were obtained for SpO2. The most important part, conclusions of HealthWalker. HealthWalker is inexpensive. As we can see from the bill of material, the total cost of our device is $1884. Due to the compact size of our device is portable and user-friendly. It conducts 6-minute walk test in one go. It is a rechargeable device since it uses portable battery bank. It automatically creates a health sheet on PC. Limitations. Finger probe is sensitive to the motion artifacts and can't be used for all finger sizes. LED brightness is constant. Future scope. Complex algorithms can be incorporated for the automatically controlling of the brightness of LEDs according to the thickness of finger. Weight measurement can be done since our device has BMI calculation. Wireless communication between the microcontroller and the PC can be done. And last but not the least, battery bank can be replaced. Here are the few references we used in the making of HealthWalker.